Welcome back. It's your boy, Pat Artist and Brittany Fernandez back again for another Brittany's Brew review. Brittany just pulled out something. We weren't going to do this, but Brittany pulled out something and doesn't know where it came from. So we're going to figure it out and we're going to taste test it. But before we do that, Brittany has to pick one through three for me.
Let's go two.
Two. Don't pick, don't pick. Well, you can pick two, but pick one or three.
Three.
Three. Okay, cool. Because two is like a. I'll show you what two was. Two was that Old Faithful
Oh,
home
okay.
style, double home style.
Classic.
You picked three.
hmm
Okay. Three is pretty. Two, three is Galaxy Juice Pants,
That's fun.
and it's from Maplewood Brewing Company, which is in Normal, Illinois.
Oh,
Illinois.
normal.
Normal, that's what it's called. And their website is maplewoodbrew.com. And yeah. I don't know. This is kind of like, you see this graphic? It's got like a
It's
pants
yeah, no, it's
with a straw in it. It's kind of gross, but
I like
I've
it.
had the
It's fun.
other, they've had other pants things, I think, that I've had
Oh,
before.
that's their thing.
Yeah.
Much fun.
It's just made a mess of me. Um, and I didn't say the ABV or anything. Let me, it's 7.0. Let's see what it looks like real quick before you pull out.
Whatever it is I have.
Yeah.
Whew. I just got back from running errands and I'm dying. It's so
Yeah,
hot
you're
out.
telling me. Yeah.
I am not a summer girly.
No one is on this podcast.
Ooh,
It's a pretty seven.
very looks like an apricot.
Smells good. Wouldn't you know? Tastes good too. All right.
Surprise,
I know
surprise.
what I know what B is gonna bring out. So I'm gonna look it up while she brings it and reveals.
Okay. Um, this I thought you gave this to me with the big like haul, the beer haul that you
Mm-mm.
got from
No, I
the
would have kept
place.
that. I
Okay,
would have
so
kept
this
that for
is
sure.
Disc Cider and it's the Mayor Berry can. And I drank this maybe a couple of weeks ago with a friend. I
Mm-hmm.
just split it with her. I didn't even see like what it said on the can. So I was like, how old is this can and how long has it been sitting in my fridge? But I don't see a year
Uh,
on it.
well,
Um,
if you're wondering, apparently it's still on tap at Diskin.
oh,
People
okay.
have checked it in as of 4 hours ago.
No, well,
It's darker than what you think it's going to be.
let's pop this bitch
And
open
it
then.
has an average of 3.87 with 879 ratings. And it's a 5.7 ABV.
hmm It's blueberry lavender cider.
Yeah, very interesting.
Yeah, so let's
But yeah, I guess it's on tap there still,
pop
which
her
is
open.
cool. For anybody not knowing the reference, so uh, Disc Insider is a local cidery in Nashville.
Oh my God.
Mayor, yeah, is darkness. Mayor Berry is a past mayor uh, who was named Megan Barry. She served from the seventh. She was the seventh mayor of the combined city and county government from 2015 until March 2018, or when she resigned following a plea deal related to a scandal involving her bodyguard and misuse of public funds. She was the first woman to be elected mayor of Nashville. So yeah, she had an affair and had to resign.
We could have had it all
And
with her too.
yeah, but that's what happened with her. And then she gets a cider named after her, so that's cool.
Dark as hell cider.
Yeah,
Nice. Like
berry related.
this is wine colored.
Yeah. What do you
Um,
think?
it's it's very good. Um,
Like
it's
dangerous?
very yeah. No, it's like it's Yeah, very dangerous. It's like
Okay,
juice.
okay.
But I wish, and again, I don't know how long this has been sitting in my fridge, but I
Hmm.
wish there was a little bit more of the lavender coming through because
Oh.
to me, this is
Is it cold, cold, or is it warmer? Like, what do we?
no, it's cold. I brought it right out of the fridge. So
Hmm. I wonder if it if it warms up a little, if it'll taste more lavendery.
herby. Yeah,
Yeah.
maybe.
Who knows though?
I
This
think
looks
also
good.
think this would be good at room temperature too, like a
Yeah.
wine.
There are some things, yeah, like wine. Not white wine. White wine on room temperature kind of sucks.
I put ice
But
in my white wine, so
yeah. Um, but yeah, red wines, like darker wines, are they're a good time with at room temp.
okay, I'm getting a little bit herb.
Yeah. Does it smell lavendery? Like, is it? No? Maybe?
No.
Okay. Well, blueberry lavender, more blueberry than lavender, both in color and in smell. It's looks like a lot of people like this. A lot of the latest check-ins have been 3.75s and fours.
Yeah, I mean, this is a huge can too. Like, I
Yeah.
don't know if I'm gonna be finishing this.
Yeah.
Or it's gonna take me, a minute to finish it. And I have another
100%.
can in my fridge too. But
Yeah.
I literally did not even clock the Mayor Berry when I was looking at this the other day.
I mean, it's pretty funny.
Yeah, it's very random. And I don't have no idea where this came from. So if you gave this to me,
I did not. So,
let me know.
yeah.
I
Drop it in the comments if you're the
have
person who gifted this to be.
no idea.
It
Maybe I
doesn't seem
got
like
this.
something you'd buy.
No, I wouldn't. I don't think I would buy this. If I was going to do a cider, I would do like, classic
Hmm.
cider.
Yeah.
I don't know, maybe I don't know.
Diskin's got some good ass ciders though. We've had them on the show before, I think.
Yeah. I don't know if I've ever been in the cidery.
I've been one time. Meg went. I mean, this is rare, but Meg went out with a girlfriend, and they went to dinner, and then they went there.
Oh, nice.
And I think before they moved, and she was like, "Oh, you want to go get dinner and then go to the cidery that's near my house?" I didn't know it was Diskin, but at the time, but and yeah, when they called and they were like, "Oh, we're done. You want to drive us home?" I said, "Yeah." And I picked them up and they were there. I was like, "Oh, this is cool. I didn't know this was here." But it's right. It's from what am I remembering, pretty close to the soccer stadium,
Oh,
to
okay.
Geodis. Like in that
Gotcha.
area
Yeah. I feel
ish.
like I've seen them do like movie nights and stuff on their
They do.
patio.
It's
Yeah.
cool. Like I would go. Like I
Yeah.
also they have some ciders that go in like the 8%. Like
Dang.
they'll
All
fuck you
right.
up. Like it's
Yeah.
not. Also, you don't feel like super bloated. That's pretty
Yeah.
rad.
I'd like
But
to
anyways,
explore some cideries, other
heck yeah,
cideries
we
around here.
should.
Do a cidery tour.
There's this hot chicken place I gotta tell you about, by the way.
Oh.
But anyway, what are you thinking? Be out of a five?
Um, I'm gonna do like a man, 2.75.
Ooh, okay.
I was
Two
trying
seven
to
five is not bad.
2.75 or 2.75.
Okay, a little average. B's a hard cookie to crack on her scores, so that's good. You should take that as a compliment, Diskin. But anyways, that's been Brittany's Brew Review. This will be up in fuck, what month is it? July. So, go check out your cideries in July. And if you're in town, check out Diskin. And yeah, we'll see you next month for another review, maybe another movie review. Who knows? And we're out.